is also operating today. With the machine upgrade.
Yeah, it is button driven, and I
still single speed, simple.
Yeah, and probably it's still within drum rather than traction, but still somehow updated, I think, and at least the controller has been updated or replaced, maybe.
It's actually built in late 1923 and stage
Yeah.
B in the beginning of 1924. This is on Töölönkatu, Töölönkatu 14 stage A, and of course you can also stage B as well. The zebra is H209, pretty interesting.
Yeah.
So the tariff year 1923, 1924 year.
Yeah.
So in Helsinki, Uusimaa, Finland. Stood here,
Yeah.
because it's interesting.
Yeah.
But I think maybe the main was really good.
Niissä piti paikkivaisi meidän paikkoon.
Check the buttons.
Yeah. Down buttons doesn't work anymore.
Did it work in stage B?
Yeah. Probably the controller has been modernized, so it is well.
Well, that's at least preserved stuff.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah. But the machinery might be original, but I'm not sure.
And this is the turn of the year 1923-24. I'm pretty sure I didn't film it before.
Yeah.
Also, because of that, I wouldn't remember it.
Yeah.
So this was not discovered before. They knew some tips about this, but that's why I knew about this house.
Yeah.
Yeah. This was still the second one. And the third ride. It definitely deserves that.
Yeah.
I'll press it. take pictures too. On the lights. That's it.
That's